Hello all. So in this session we are going to solve one question from light under lenses. This question spans both ICSE and CBSE curriculum for class 10. So let's get started. In this question we see that we have a convex lens and its focal length is 0.12 meters. What additional information do we have? We see that the magnification is 3 and we have got to find the object distance. Now when it comes to a convex lens and the magnification is greater than 1 and we don't have any other detail in the question, we will have to solve this question with under two scenarios. One when it produces a real image and the next when it produces a virtual image, because a convex lens producing a magnified image could be both real and virtual. So we are talking about this scenario, case 1, when the image is real. In this case, let's note everything down that we have in the question before we apply the lens formula. So focal length in this case is plus 0.12 meter. This is by sign convention. Convex lens, the focal length is plus 0.12 meters. And then comes magnification. The fact that this is a real image, the magnification will be minus 3. And that gets us what? V by U is equal to minus 3. So V is equal to minus 3 by U. Now using the lens formula, we know it's 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Let's substitute what all we know here. So this will come to minus 1 by minus 3U minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by 0.12. Upon solving this, we get 3U, and here it is minus 1 minus 3. This is mathematics. And then we get 3U into 100 is equal to 12 into minus 4, and 3U is equal to so you can find U. So in this case it comes to 12 into minus 4 by 3 into 100. So you will get this as minus 0.16 meters. So what is the conclusion? When the object is placed at a distance of 0.16 meters from the lens, you get a real image which is magnified 3 times. Now we'll talk about the second scenario, when the image is virtual. Once again, focal length will be plus 0.12 meters. In this case, M is going to be plus 3 because it's a virtual image. And that gets us V by U is equal to 3, and therefore V is equal to 3U. Again, the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U gets us 1 by F, and therefore 1 by 3U minus 1 by U is equal to 100 by 12. Again, mathematics. So U comes to 12 into minus 2 by 3 into 100. Let's see how much this is. So this is minus 0.08 meters. So this is the object distance. So the conclusion here is the ray diagrams. The understanding of the ray diagrams is a must, is a very nice to have thing for solving such questions, because in such case, when we solve, we know beforehand what the answer is going to be. Well, almost. So in this case, concluding, there are 2 scenarios that we must consider. And this is because it's a convex lens and the magnification is greater than 1. Mind you, when the magnification is greater than 1 for a convex lens, it might well be a real image and a virtual image, and therefore you have to consider both cases. Thanks for watching.